Yeah, I mean, perspective is a hell of a drug. I think, it's one of those things where, not to go too far off topic, but diversity, and I mean that in the broadest sense, is important because diversity of thought
Yes.
can cover up blind spots that you have as an individual. I know that I wasn't exposed to certain things, but you want to be around people who have different perspectives, different
Mhm.
upbringings, different
Mhm.
philosophies, because then you're able to challenge each other and make sure that you're not falling into that trap, like you said, of thinking these problems that I'm dealing with today are the most important in the world.
Right.
Because
Right.
what ultimately all that does is create blind spots for you, and it's a weakness. So I do think it is always important to maintain that perspective that the way you grew up or the life that you live, even now in present day, is so different. And gosh, not to again go even further off topic, but you look at what's happening in Ukraine right now,
Mhm.
and there are people that are leaving their homes with probably the thought in their head, I'll never go back. I
Mhm.
mean, that's a situation that's unfathomable to most of
Right.
us.
Right.
And yet here it is happening, something that we never really pictured going on there. And so it is really important, I think, to always maintain that balance, and because you can get caught up in the minutia and stuff that doesn't
Yes.
matter, and it's good to kind of bring yourself back to balance.